If you need money as a teen, but you're tired of hearing things like, you're too young to work or, wait till you finish school, this video is for you. I'm gonna show you real, simple, and smart ways to make money in 2025. No fake apps, no surveys, just things that actually work. Let's start. Learn a skill equals earn a skill. Okay, first, if you want to make real money, you've got to trade value, not time. That means learn a simple skill people already pay for. Try Canva design, make logos, posters, or digital planners. Post your work on Instagram or Fiverr. If you like editing videos, learn CapCut. Small creators pay teens like you to edit their reels and YouTube shorts. Or start voiceovers. Your voice can literally make you money. Many creators hire friendly teen voices for their videos. The goal isn't perfection. It's to start small, build your skill, and level up. Make money from what you already do. Now, if you're like, I don't have any skills yet, chill, you can make money from things you already do every day. Love sharing outfits or skincare routines? Join affiliate programs. Post your favorite items on TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Every sale through your link earns you a small commission. Use Pinterest or Instagram to grow an aesthetic account and promote products you actually love. Or create and sell Notion templates or study planners on Etsy. You only make it once, but it can sell forever. These aren't get-rich-fast ideas. They're real ways to build income while doing what you already enjoy. Offline teen hustles. Next, let's talk offline. Because not all money has to come from your phone. Offer tutoring for younger kids. Parents trust teens who've just done those same lessons. If you're creative, make custom phone cases, mugs, or accessories. Sell them in school, on Instagram, or even WhatsApp groups. Or do small jobs like pet sitting, babysitting, or helping neighbors with errands. It sounds old school, but it's easy cash. These are things your parents might have done at your age, and they still work. The creator path, build your brand. Now let's go bigger, becoming a creator. If you're consistent, this is the most powerful way to make money as a teen. Start a YouTube or TikTok page about something you love, skincare, journaling, study tips, or even your daily life. Post short videos, use trending sounds, share value or make people smile. Once you grow, you'll start getting brand deals, affiliate income, and maybe even your own products. The best part? You're not just earning, you're building a name, an audience, and skills that can make you money forever. Play the long game. Here's the truth no one tells you, quick money fades. But long-term skills and consistency make you unstoppable. If you learn design, editing, or marketing now, by 18 you'll already be experienced. If you start a small brand now, it could become your full-time business later. So don't compare your day 1 to someone else's year 5. Just start. So yeah, if you need money as a teen, don't wait for permission. You can start small, right where you are, with what you already have. Your phone is literally a money-making machine, if you use it right. Comment your age and which idea you're trying first. I might make a full tutorial on it next. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's make 2025 your first money year.